apologize. I was on the phone when this came about, but I realized this was a teaching moment. Hope y'all enjoy.
I got my YouTube channel going right now. I'm about to show all my YouTube viewers how to go through a Border Patrol inspection site. Border Patrol inspection site. All my road dogs. Ah! Goddamn, they need to fix this damn road. It don't make no sense, man. Man, look at that damn sign. Man, the last time I came through this place, they had like I don't know, I think it was like 158. What's that, Texas Hold'em? Where people like smuggling stuff out of Mexico. It was like at I think it was maybe 158 maybe. How about that joke at what is it, 662 CDLs revoked because people are smuggling either drugs or people. You gotta be one dumbass to do some shit like that. And I guess, you know, money involved or whatever. You might be down on your luck. But boy. Not me. I ain't smuggling nobody in. They better smuggle themselves in. Like somebody tore up their wheel caps over here. Alright, hold on real quick. I gotta talk this thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright now. I'm gonna ask you 2 questions. Are you by yourself or are you a U.S. citizen? You better say yes to both of them, unless you ain't by yourself. Hey man, come on, what you gonna do? Alright, to all my YouTubers, my YouTube followers, and subscribers or whatever. That was how you go through a Border Patrol inspection site. They ask you, are you a U.S. citizen? Don't fuck around with them. You better say yeah. By yourself, tell them you by yourself. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that.